Hello everyone, welcome to Exergic. In this discussion and interview, we are going to know the preparation journey of Jogam Goutham. Jogam, first of all, congratulations for your success in GATE, and please introduce yourself and tell about your preparation.
Yes, I'm Jogam Goutham. I come from Warangal. Currently, I'm final year student from Usmania University. I'm going to get passed out this year, and I started my GATE preparation at the end of my second year.
Okay.
Actually, COVID helped me because during that COVID situation, I'm at my home and I got a lot of free time. I thought of like, why don't I start? Before that, I planned that I should start at the end of my third year, so that by 1 year I will be completing my preparation. But COVID helped me, and I used the opportunity and I started early, and I did give the attempt in my third year also.
Okay.
I got 63 marks in that. Okay, I thought that okay, it is good.
And what was the rank in that attempt?
It's 2600, nearby 2600, sir. At that time, I didn't complete my syllabus also. I left to production and mathematics.
Yes.
Okay, I thought that I am at good level, and I continued the preparation. And this time I did better.
Yes,
Yeah.
you did a lot better this time. And if you compare your attempt to the previous and this one, because many students nowadays are obviously writing GATE in third year also and then in fourth year also. How do you compare these two attempts? Obviously, you covered additional syllabus, which you missed actually last time, production and maths. But other than that, do you feel anything else you did differently this time?
Yes, sir. In the third, when I gave the third year attempt, I did a lot of silly mistakes, sir. What I came to know is lack of practice of test series is the main reason for that. I didn't practice test series that much. I just listened to the classes and prepared my notes. So I didn't repeat it now. I practice well for the test series. And one more thing, while preparation also, when I'm studying the classes, I used to write entire thing, and I revise that only. But for this attempt, I made separate notes for each subject, like a short note or a formula book. I know that I should make a formula book earlier also, but I didn't get that much time because I didn't complete the syllabus. So in the third year, when I gave my first attempt, I didn't do that, and now I did it.
Okay, so the short notes you prepared after covering almost the syllabus once again, you went through the course and then you made the notes from it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, obviously, it is very important to know the importance of numerical solving and the ability to solve numericals, right? So, how do you see your skills when it comes to numerical solving? Was it very good since the beginning, or slowly it increased, or you did something very differently to achieve it?
From my childhood, I am very much interested in mathematics, sir.
Great.
So I think that from the beginning itself, I am good at numericals. That is the reason why I chose GATE. Actually, my lecturer suggested that you can go for engineering services also, because both GATE and engineering services cover almost the same syllabus and for engineers. When I checked the previous year's paper, engineering services is completely theoretical and lengthy process, and GATE is just numerical oriented and short. I thought that this will be better for me, and I am also good at problem solving from the beginning. So I chose this path.
So, since you have now got a good rank, what do you intend to do next? In which direction do you want to go?
I'm planning for getting into DRDO present, and I will also apply for all the PSUs. And after attending PSUs and getting as much I can do, then I will choose one path.
One of these, definitely.
Yes.
So, since you prepared with college, third year, from second year itself, right? Second year itself, you are telling that you prepared. So, obviously, there are many things that go on in college life, especially in the final year.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, how did you manage your time, preparing for GATE with college?
Up to when it is lockdown, I am very much free, sir. Like I am just attending my college classes online, just 4 to 5 hours a day. After that, I have got a lot of free time. But after college reopened, it was somewhat difficult for me to manage both the things. Especially in final year, while doing project work also, I should spend a lot of time to project work, and I didn't get sufficient time at some moment. So then I decided that I should make a good plan. Like planning plan should not be rigid, it should be flexible enough so that I can do both, I can manage both. So I started making weekly plans.
Okay.
So for this week I should spend this much time for my college and this much time for GATE and for other activities. So I started weekly plans. I didn't made a daily plan or didn't made monthly plans, only weekly plans. I worked on them and they helped me.
That's great to know. And from your college also, there's any placement activities that you attended or any sort of that thing?
Yes, sir. In my college, placements are also good.
Okay.
I have got 2 placements till now, and I just attempted them so that I can have experience of interview and group discussions round. Only for the sake of group discussions and interview, I have attempted that, and I thought that I'm making someone to lose their opportunity to get into placements. Then I stopped attending them.
Yeah, that's very ethical
Yes,
approach from your
first
end.
what I thought is I should get experience of GD and interview.
Yes.
After getting placed into it, and I came to know that okay, I'm good. Then I stopped attending them and let
That's
someone
good.
use the opportunity.
Yes, that's very generous and good and kind. Okay, so in the final time of your GATE preparation, in the month of January and all, obviously there must be some college activities going on, maybe some offline classes going on at that time. So what was your strategy for the last 10 days, last 15 days before GATE?
Before GATE, I went to home, sir. I left college, and I
Left college means what?
I mean that I went to home. I stay in my college hostel.
Okay,
So I went
understood.
to home.
Okay.
I thought that it will be better at the last moment I'm at home. I can prepare well, and I have also maintained attendance sufficient enough so that if I miss 2 weeks also, it's not a problem for me.
Great.
So I went to home and I then revised the my notes whichever I made, and I've also taken the Exergic Pro course. At the end, that helped me a lot.
Yes.
And at the end, because it is completely like what we want at that moment, it is like that only. So it helped me a lot. At the last moment, I am with Exergic Pro course, my short notes and formula book.
So how was your overall experience with Exergic Pro and the lectures in that, the examples in that?
So the way you sorted out them is very good, sir, because when we take the full course, there will be many more things. But at the end moment, when we are revising, what are the topics should be there in that, exactly they are only given in that Exergic Pro course. So you made it very good and it helped me a lot, sir.
So it was very good knowing your preparation journey, and I am sure the students who have listened to this discussion, they will definitely take something away from this discussion and learn something for their preparation which they can implement in their preparation. I congratulate you once again, and I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.